Whether you want to connect your Google Analytics with your Shopify store or if you have a WordPress site, it doesn't matter. It's pretty much straightforward process. So let's get started. The first thing is you need to simply click on the sign into analytics on the top right of your screen and then simply sign in with your Google account. And the first step will going to be creating your account. So first of all, start by choosing your account name and then you just need to scroll down and you will have 4 different options. If you don't know anything about these, you can leave it as it is. Then click on the next option. The first thing that we need to do is to select our property name. It can be anything. Let's say I want to connect my clothing brand or my WordPress website or my Shopify or Wix website to my Google Analytics. I can simply type it accordingly. So I will simply go with this one. Now as for the reporting zone, it doesn't matter too much. You can select your country and then you can simply select your currency wherever you are living right now. Then you can click on the next button. Now you need to simply start by selecting your industry category. You can go with any of these category. You can change it later as well. Otherwise select your business size and then click on next. Now you need to select your business objectives. Now we have 5 different options. Now if you only want to analyze and optimize your sales on your website or application, you can simply select the sales. If you want to go with the leads, you can select it. It doesn't matter as it is not going to affect your account. You can click on create now and simply accept the terms and conditions, and we have successfully created our stream data. Now we can simply choose our platform. We have web, we have Android app, and we have iOS app. For now, as an example, I will go click on the web, and now we need to select our enhanced measurements. If you want to select any one of these specifically, you can simply select it. Otherwise, I recommend you to leave it as it is. Now start by entering your website URL. It is going to be specific address, so simply click on visit site and copy your address just like so. Now you need to simply paste it. Make sure to remove this and now click on stream name and name it whatever you want to go with. So in my case it is going to be real estate just like so, and now click on create and continue on the top right, and we have successfully created our stream. Now we can simply click on next, or we need to wait for this pop-up. So let's click on the cross, and now this is going to open up this particular pop-up. Now we need to simply start by opening up our WordPress site, or if you are using Shopify, it is much easier. You can simply go into the preferences and then you can simply click on Google Analytics and connect your account. As for the WordPress, you need to first of all head over to the plugins, click on add new plugin. Now you need to simply search for the SiteKit. Simply search for SiteKit, which is the official Google app on WordPress. Click on install now and then click on activate. Now let's click on SiteKit on the top left of your screen, and this is going to take you to their dashboard, where you need to start by signing in with your Google. Now also click on connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup and then click on sign in. Make sure to sign in with the same account that you are using with your Google Analytics. And now it's time to verify the ownership of our website. So click on verify, and now simply start by clicking on allow and click on setup. Click on next again to set up your Google Analytics this time, and there you have it. We can now select our property, which is in this case WordPress site, and my account, which is my example account that we have created just now. Make sure to double check all the details and then click on complete setup, and we have successfully set up our Google Analytics. So make sure to simply open up your website in some other browser, and then you can click on your options and all the checkout pages. And once you are done, you can now go back to your WordPress site, and if I refresh, it is going to show all the real-time analytics. But right now, as we have set up it recently, it is not going to show up right away, so you need to give it some time. And that's how you can set up your Google Analytics.